So here we've got some Matchbox that I am going to open up. First up, convertible beetle. I'm just going to open these ones up. That's not too bad. Well, at least it's got the tampos and everything. I mean, it's a VW, so I've got to have it, don't I? Interior is nice. That's not a bad little vehicle, actually. Not bad at all. No, next one. The Porsche. It's a Porsche 918 Spider. Looks pretty good. Let's see what this looks like out of the box. Okay, that doesn't look too bad either. Not a fan of the wheels, but it's got all the tampos, hey. That's not too bad either. Like I said, not a fan of the wheels. (2021). That's not bad. I like that. Yep. Another one I like. Okay, this is a Toyota 4Runner. Now, in America, they've been sort of going on about these. I don't see why. I don't know why. This is something that we see on the roads here every day, sort of thing. Oh, it's not bad looking. Oh, look at that focus, would you? It's not bad looking. Wheels look authentic. Again, all the tampos are there, which is like, well done, Matchbox. Excellent. I don't know what's in the back there. It's got something in the back. Not sure. Sunroof, bit of a roof rack. Looks pretty good. Don't mind that one either. What we go for next? We'll do this, the Wrangler Superlift Jeep. This looked alright, like on the card, but geez, trying to find anything on the card Matchbox is bloody amazing, and I find most of these while I'm doing my grocery shopping at my local Woolies. They've always got boxes of them, and people don't seem to pay much attention to them. Wow, worn. Worn winches. This doesn't look too bad, does it? Obviously, that's your winch. I don't mind that at all. Look at that, you got your... Well, that's a bit weird, is it? You got some sort of sunroof. What the hell is that? You got some sort of sunroof there, and then the roof rack on top of that with bits of luggage. If my eyes were any better, I'd be able to tell you what's actually on there. I tell you, Matchbox do well with tampos, don't they? I mean, like, obviously there's a few details here, like the snorkel, maybe the mirrors. You know, I'd probably do the roof rack a bit different, but there is, like, you've got the silver around here. It's pretty cool. Needs a tow bar. If it was Australian, it'd have a tow bar. Oh, I'm upside down. And 2000 and... Oh, I can't read that. Looks like 2010. 2011? 2015? Oh, I don't know. It's sort of a weird colour. It's red, but it's orangey red. Maybe it's... Oh, I think that's my camera. My camera's doing that. Alright, that's pretty cool. We've got 2 to go. We've got the Ranchero. It's a ute. Anyone knows me. I love a good ute. Come on. Open up your bugger. I'm making a mess here. Silver vase. First one of those. Come on, focus. Focus, you mongrel of a thing. That's not going to. Look. Come on. Look, it just keeps going in and out. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, look at those tampos on the back. Forward, tail lights. Oh, there we go. That is pretty cool. Probably a little bit of definition in the grill, but that's cool. I like it. I like the colour. It's a ute. What more can you say? 1970 Ford Ranchero. This is a fresh casting, 2022. That's pretty cool. And the last one is one of these 70th anniversary. It's a Dodge Charger. Let's see how well they did on this one. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Look at that. Like the wheels. You got the Dodge on the back there. You got the flute vents there. Good looking interior. 70th anniversary sticker there. Oh, should have done the front a little bit better than that. It's a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Just doesn't quite look right to me. What do we got here? Oh, we got tampos across the back, and it says Dodge. Actually, what does it say? Oh, I can't read that. That's not bad looking, is it? Not a bad looking interior. That's, yeah, cool, pretty cool. 2021 66 Dodge Charger. Maybe that says Charger across the back. Oh, I think it does. My eyes aren't that good. The wheelbase looks narrow to me. Like, you have a look at that. It just doesn't quite. They look like they need to come out more. But that's a good looking car, hey. So that's my little bit of a supermarket Matchbox haul. I think they're all pretty good. My pick would probably be... Actually, my pick would probably be this. I actually like that. I think that's pretty cool. Jeep Superlift. Second one would be the ute. Like the ute. All right. That's it. Cheers. See ya.